1 minute to understand one world's leading factory. Beidou in the sky, navigators in China. XCMG 7-star navigator class factory. Behind XCMG Crane's position as the global market leader in sales for 15 consecutive years. What kind of smart factory lies beneath? Have you ever imagined? High-end customization in heavy-duty construction machinery manufacturing can now be achieved at scale. Multiple categories, small batches, yet equally smooth and efficient. Here, global customers place orders online, and their requirements flow directly into the navigator brain. Like a master tailor who knows you inside out, it precisely interprets customer needs and instantly assembles the optimal design solution. At its core lies a thinking virtual factory. Just as gamers review walkthroughs, every production process is fully rehearsed in the virtual factory beforehand, ensuring efficient and successful real-world manufacturing. Commands are autonomously issued, robots automatically assemble and weld, and AGVs shuttle parts across the facility, orchestrating intelligent operations with seamless precision. Efficiency accelerated like hitting fast forward. The time required to switch between products on the production line has been slashed from 8 hours to just 40 minutes. From order to response, the fastest delivery to most distant country takes merely 15 days. From order to delivery, fully automated decision-making and self-optimization make global customization effortless and agile delivery routine. From catching up to leading, XM 7-star Navigator class factory not only builds national heavy equipment, but also forges a business card of China's intelligent manufacturing for the future. It proves to the world, Made in China now shines with star-like intelligence, leading the way forward.